To find the derivatives, in fact, if we have the function f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x, to find this derivative, we can say that f prime of x, it would be equal with 2 times x in the power, 1 less, which it means 2 minus 1, plus 3, because the derivative of x is just 1, which it means that is equal 2 times x in the first power plus 3. That's all, or just better, 2x plus 3. Another function, if I have f of x is equal with 1 over square root of x. What does it mean? How we can find the derivative? First of all, we need to write as a power number, which means that f of x, or power function, it's equal 1 over x in the 1/2 power. We put our power in up, it means because we are not able to find this derivative as it is. For this reason, we can write as x in the power of negative 1 over 2. Using the properties of the power, 1 over a in the power of n, it's equal a in the power of negative n. In order to find this derivative, f prime of x, it would be equal minus 1/2 times x in the power minus 1/2 minus 1. Minus 1 we can write as 2 over 2, which it means that f prime of x for us, it would be equal negative 1/2 times x in the power of negative 3 over 2. Let's continue with another type. We can use the chain rule, which it means that how we can use it, f prime of x is equal with, in fact, this function is in the form u in the power of n. To find the derivative of u in the power of n, it is n times u in the power of n minus 1 times u prime. Don't forget u prime, please. Which it means that 5 times u in this case is 3x plus 1, all in the power of 1 less, which is 5 minus 1, it's 4, times the u in the derivative, which it means that you have 3x plus 1 all in the derivative, which it means that our derivative, it would be 5 times 3x plus 1 all in the 4th power times the derivative of 3x is just 3, the derivative of 1 is 0. For this reason, the derivative of this function, it would be 15 times 3x plus 1 all in the 4th power. Let's continue with another type of the derivative. When we have the product, what's happened? In fact, we have the function u times v. All in the derivative, it is u prime times v plus u times v prime, which means that u in this case is ln of x and v is sinus of 2x. For this reason, the f prime of x for us, it would be equal with u prime is ln of x, because as u we wrote it ln of x, u prime, times the v is sinus of 2x, plus ln of x times the sinus of 2x, all of this in derivative, which it means that ln of x in the derivative is x prime over x times the sinus of 2x plus ln of x times the derivative of sinus is cosinus of 2x, which it means that times 2x in the derivative using the chain rule, which it means that you have 1 over x, the sinus of 2x, plus the derivative of 2x is just 2. We put it in front of ln of x times the cosinus of 2x. Why I wrote it as a product? Because ln is the logarithm function and sinus of 2x is the trigonometric function. For this reason, I have the two different factions. In this case, we can use the product as I said in the beginning. Please, if you need more exercise, leave the comment below for what type of exercise you are interested. Do not forget to subscribe my channel in order to motivate me and to provide more videos for you. Thank you.